Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the ammo and reloading system. So for that right here after this is auto, we will create a public integer by the name of max ammo and this will be equals to 30. Okay, then after this we will create a private integer by the name of current ammo. Then after this we will create a float. Okay, and this time name this as reload time, and by default the reload time will be 0. Okay, or let's just make this as 1.5. After this we will create a private pool by the name of is reloading, and this will be by default equals to false. After this let's create a start method right here. Okay, and in here what we want to do, we want to set the current ammo to the max ammo whenever the game starts. Then after this right here in the shoot method, now what we will do, we will add a if condition, and inside the if condition we will say if the current ammo is greater than 0, in that case then we will allow the player to shoot, or else the player will not be shooting if the current ammo is 0. Okay, and also whenever the shoot method is called, okay, we will minus that ammo from our rifle. Okay, so if the player shoots, okay, and for example if the current ammo is 30, okay, so when we shoot it will be then 29, then 28, then 27, and in that way it will keep decreasing. Okay, and when it becomes 0 then the player will not be able to shoot. Okay, so if the player is now not able to shoot, then it means that the ammo is out. Okay, and it is time for reloading. Okay, so right here we will add a else condition. Okay, and right here we will reload, but for now let's create a reload method, okay, in which we will reload our rifle. So let's say private void reload. In here first of all we will check that if the is reloading is not true and the current ammo is less than the max ammo. Okay, so what this means, it means that if the current ammo is for example 29 or even 25, then we will allow the player to reload. Okay, so when we are reloading, first of all we will play the reload animation, but for now we don't have any animation, so we just simply reload the rifle as it is. Okay, so first of all we will set the is reloading to true. Okay, which means that yes, the player is now reloading, and then we will play the reload sound. Okay, we don't have sounds now, so we will leave this as it is as well. And then we want to reload till the point to which the reload animation is playing. So for example, if the reload animation is of 1 second or 2 second, then to that 1 or 2 second we will keep reloading. Okay, because we can't reload early or late. Okay, we just want to match our reload time with our reload animation. Okay, so in order to add a delay till the animation is finished, for that we will create a private void by the name of finish reloading. Okay, and in here we will set the current ammo to the max ammo. Okay, and then we will set the is reloading to false, and then Right here we will reset the reload animation. Okay, so we will just leave a comment for that for now. Okay, so once we have this, now right here we will say invoke, let's call the finish reloading method which we created, and then we want to wait for the reload time. Okay, so let me call reload time, that is it. Okay, and we will set this reload time value according to our reload animation time, okay, of our first rifle. This reload time will be different for our other rifles. Okay, so once you have this set up, now right here we say that if the current ammo is greater than 0, then we shoot. Now right here in the else condition, what this means, if the current ammo is now less than 0, okay, it means if it is less than 0, then it means that the player will have to reload automatically. Okay, so we will simply call the reload method right here. And also, if the player want to reload manually, okay, we can also do that as well. For that we will set our button R, because in most of the game the player can reload the rifle using the R button, so we're gonna do that as well. For that, just simply after this else condition, we will say if we press the R button, so we will say keycode dot R. Okay, and also if the current ammo is less than max ammo, okay, if it is even 29 or 28, then what we want to do, we want to reload. Okay, so right here the player can reload using the R button, and right here if the current ammo is less than 0, then the rifle will automatically reload. Okay, now the last thing which we will be doing is inside the update method we will say that if the rifle is reloading, then we will simply return from here. Okay, we don't want to execute the other code, okay, the firing code, okay, because when the player is reloading, then it means the rifle can't do anything but reloading. Okay, so make sure that you add that as well right there. And now with this done, just save the script, get back to Unity. Now let's click on the rifle, the first rifle. As you can see, we have everything right here. For now, we will not be changing the reload time. We will leave this as it is. Okay, so now let me actually change to debug mode so that we can see our current ammo set to 30 when we start the game, and when we shoot it will keep decreasing. Okay, and you will also notice the is reloading when we will be reloading. Okay, so let's play the game. Okay, so as you can see, the current ammo becomes equals to 30. Now if we shoot right here, okay, as you can see, when we shoot, the current ammo is decreasing. So now when it becomes 0, as you can see, it is automatically reloading, and the reloading happens for 1.5 second. And now if we shoot, okay, 2 times or even 1 time, and now if we press the R button, as you can see, it is reloading, and now the current ammo becomes 30 again. Okay, if we shoot again and then reload, as you can see, it reloads as well. And when the ammo becomes 30, I mean 0, not 30, you will notice it will automatically reload as well. Okay, so in this way you can add the ammo and reloading system to your own rifle as well. And if I press the R button right now, as you can see, it can't reload because the current ammo is 30. And also when it is reloading, you will notice we will not be able to shoot unless the reloading is finished. Okay, so if now I reload, as you can see, I can't shoot, but when the reloading finish, it shoot back again. Okay, and also you can make the rifle is auto or not as well, as you can see. Okay, so now I will just simply stop the game and let me set this to is auto, And let me change this to normal again. Okay, so now the next thing which we will be doing is to add the animations to our rifle, but we will do that in our next video.